It's not the first one that goes up in flames. No.
Oh wow.
Welcome to the channel. Welcome to my unit. That's what I want to say. Just behind me, you can see a bunch of crap. So I want to talk about it. Why we got 240Z right here, how they ended up bringing my Primera from Portugal, and then this thing here, the GTIR. Which is a new story, a new baby thing. Which technically is not new, it's my second GTIR, which I never really used. So I have had two GTIRs, never really drove any of them. So, my name is João. I'm Portuguese. I'm not gonna say how old I am because, yeah, the grey hair gives it away. I'm in UK, in this sunny, beautiful UK, but let's start from the beginning, shall we? I got this unit back in 2020, and I think it was a bit of an escape, or trying to get away from all the craziness that the world is going through, as you can imagine. Most of you probably still remember that. I was in a very dark place, myself, mentally. There's a lot of talks nowadays about mental health and so on, and to be honest, it wasn't pretty, let's put it that way. And I think cars became the escape. This unit, I'll show you how I got it, I'll show you what I did to it, and how has it been useful to me, and how I managed to get it somewhere. But I think I'm actually proud of what I did here, even though it's pretty much nothing. It's still something I managed to do myself, build an ice bench, sturdy as hell. But if anything, I just want to show you what you can have in a tiny space. This is 7 by 6 meters, I think. The amount of work it took me to get this unit together, because this was a mess. There was nothing inside it, really. I mean, there's a lot of shit inside it, which I had to clean it up and make it pretty. But hopefully, in the future, as things move along, I can just turn this into one of those amazing hexagon lights, blah blah blah. Those they don't even work anymore. They've been here for 3 years. And they bust the LED plates, they all gone. I don't have lighting at the moment. So I'm actually enjoying the summer in the UK because you can stay out here. It's 8:30 now. And I can actually stay out and still work in the cars. I do have 2 big LED lights again on the walls, but I need to fix the lighting and ceiling. But that'll have to wait because I don't have the money now to spend on that. So yeah, I'll show you some videos now about what I did to the unit, and then I'll continue with these cars because I think there's quite a lot of interesting stories. I just have a problem in having cars that actually work. I just like the rust buckets or the shit boxes which never work. I need to fix that, and this is what these videos really going to be about, trying to get myself back on track on the road with these cars and enjoy them, because otherwise what's the bloody point? I'm spending money in a unit and I don't have the cars to drive, so make myself accountable. Yeah, let's go with that. See you later. So, Primera. There's a lot of story, a personal story with this Primera behind me. It's my Portuguese car. I brought it to the UK. I had big dreams about it in the sense. It's a long story, really. It involves my father and yeah, stuff going on with it. I did an SR20 VE conversion many moons ago. Yeah, that could be a good story. Tell the story about my engine swap if anyone wants to do one. I've been trying to do the SG conversion, which I'm kind of abandoning or putting on a pause for now until I've got time for it. What I really want to do to it now is put back together manual transmission and do my carbon intake, which I'll be showing you in a second what I've done so far with it. It needs a custom radiator because I'm using the front end of the car to do a cold air intake to my custom carbon intake. And once the car is back on the roads, I just want to enjoy it for a little bit because I want to learn how to drive a bit better on the track. The car itself has a really nice chassis to play around. But yeah, that's it about Primera. Really want to get it back on the road, enjoy the car a little bit. The car hasn't been driven or whatsoever for the past 4 years. It's a shame. It's my baby at the end of the day. I know it's not a Porsche, Ferrari, whatever, but everyone has their own love for their own weird things. This is my weird thing. And yeah, just want to enjoy it. So stay tuned for that one. 240Z behind me. I'll show you some other videos of it. You probably could check out when we strip the car down. That also, with all the COVID and so on, project didn't move. Still what it is. Has been like this as a body in white for the past 3 years now. It's a long, funny story involving people behind bars and stuff like that. We're not gonna go. By the way, my knees are quite dark, not because I've been giving BJs or something, but because I've been working on the GTIR, which is my third and not final project at the moment because I got more cars in Portugal, my brother, which we still trying to do something about, but at least with this one, I'm trying to fix it right now. I got it off a mate of mine, and there's a few things not so great about it, but came with these problems. I knew some of them. I was taking a gamble on the engine being good and so on, and I'm paying for the gamble now. So, you gamble, the house wins. So, yeah. This is gonna take a lot of work, but I'm committed to get this fixed. I know it's just words. It's a start. I've been trying to do this for 4 years. Haven't achieved anything, but yeah, I'll get there. Thank you very much for watching. Say